Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on always on display in your Tecno Camon 20. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Tecno Camon 20 and you are wondering how to turn on always on display. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click here in your Tecno Camon 20 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here personalization. After click over personalization, scroll down and then you will find here something say always on display. So if I click here always on display, it's going to be looks like this. So if you decide to turn on always on display, you can simply turn on this, and you can also choose here different clock style you want to apply or available in your always on display. So for example, I would like to set this wallpaper, and if I'm going to click here apply, if I go back and if I jump over in my lock screen, we'll see after a few seconds it's going to be appear always on display, which is quite interesting. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on always on display in your Tecno Camon 20. Now you might be looking for how to change clock style always on display. You can go again here in this settings section, personalization, and you can go jump over this always on display. You can easily choose any clock you want. Also there is a many different layout or a lot of bunch of things available in this Tecno always on display. If I go back, you can also go here more things you can add. There is a different kind of animation also going to be appear in your always on display, which is really quite interesting. So in this simple way, you can easily turn on always on display in your Tecno Camon 20. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.